In this video, I am going to simplify these radical expressions. Let's start off with the first problem, a square root of 50 over square root of 32. Now this is a square root. Our objective is to get a perfect square as a factor from 50, which is very easy to do, which is like 25 times 2 is 50, but 25 is a perfect square because 5 square is 25. Similarly, from 32 we could factor out 16. 16 is 4 square. So 16 times 2 is 32. Now I am going to break it down into 2 square root of 25 times square root of 2, then square root of 16 over square root of 2. In going from here to here, I have used this property. Nth root of AB is equal to nth root of A times nth root of B. That's what it is. Now square root of 25 is 5, then times square root of 2. Square root of 16 is 4 times square root of 2. This square root of 2 cancel out, that gives you 5 over 4. Now let's do part B. Here you're given this cube root of 27 x square y cube divided by cube root of x to the power 7 y square. In order to simplify this problem, I'm going to use this formula. Nth root of a over b is equal to nth root of a divided by nth root of b. I go in this direction. Basically, I have been given this. I'm going to go to that. In our case, n is 3 because it's cube root. So I could combine this into a single big cube root, 27 x square y cube divided by x to the power 7 y square. Now that I could further simplify to 27. Now x square over x to the power 7. So x square over x to the power 7, as you probably know, it is 1 over x to the power 5. How? X square is x squared. Now x to the power 7, I could write it as x squared times x to the power 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now this x square and x square cancel out. That gives me 1 over x to the power 5. So this is going to give me x to the power 5 in the denominator. Now y cube divided by y square. Y cube divided by y square is going to be, y square is going to be just y, because y cube is y times y square, and y divided by y square. This y square cancel out. That gives you y. Now this, I could break it down by going in this direction. If I wanted, actually that's what I would do. I'm going to write it as cube root of 27 times cube root of y over x to the power, I'm going to put x square here, cube root of 27 over x cube. Now why did I do that? X to the power 5, I could break it down to x cube times x square. So this could be cancelled with perfect, cube root. So now if I simplify it further, so make sure that you understand what I did here. X to the power 5, I have broken it down into x cube times x square. So if you multiply this term with this term, you should get this term. Now this one is a perfect cube, and we are taking cube root, so it's going to be just 3 over x. Remember, 27 is 3 cube, this is 3 cube, and then x cube is going to be cancelling out with this cube root. So this third power, and this cube root are going to cancel out. Times cube root of y over x square. And that's what it is going to be the answer. By the way, keep in mind these answers are not unique. Again, they may have different formats, but that doesn't mean that your answer is wrong. This is fine. I hope that the discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.